Mastering Restaurant Reservations in English. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of restaurant reservations. But before we start booking our tables, it's crucial to understand how to research restaurants and their reservation policies. Researching a restaurant's reservation policies is just as important as the conversation you'll have when making the reservation. So, let's get started. When it comes to making restaurant reservations, it's not just about picking up the phone and dialing. A successful reservation often involves a bit of homework. Understanding a restaurant's reservation policy can save you from surprises, disappointments, and can contribute to a smoother dining experience. Knowing when and how to reserve, what information is needed, and the restaurant's cancellation policy are some of the crucial aspects you should be aware of. When we talk about researching a restaurant's reservation policy, you might wonder what exactly you need to look for. Here are a few key points. Reservation method. Some restaurants prefer phone calls, while others might take online reservations. Reservation timing. Many restaurants have specific periods when they accept reservations. Make sure you're calling or booking at the right time. Information required. You might need to provide your name, phone number, the number of people in your party, and any special requests. Cancellation policy. Understand what happens if you need to cancel. Some places might require a notice period or even charge a fee for late cancellations. Once you have all this information, it's time to put it to use. First, ensure you're contacting the restaurant in the right way and at the right time. When speaking with the restaurant staff, provide all the necessary information clearly and succinctly. And always remember to note down the details of your reservation, including any confirmation number, if provided. Now, let's consider a few practice scenarios. 1. Restaurant A takes reservations only online, 30 days in advance, and they require your credit card details. 2. Restaurant B prefers phone reservations, accepts them a week in advance, and needs the diner's name and contact number. Given these policies, how would you approach making a reservation at each restaurant? Take a moment to consider your actions and responses. That wraps up our discussion on researching restaurant reservation policies. It's an essential first step before making a reservation, and by mastering it, you'll be one step closer to achieving confidence in your English language abilities. Remember, practice makes perfect. I hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep learning and exploring.